say is if I was your girl.
Hi, this is LexsaMarie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I revive my old synthetic wigs. Specifically the last wig that I reviewed, Trissa. I will link it above. But so basically what happened, the ends of the hair after 3 weeks got really straight and matted on this curly wig that I reviewed, and it got to the point where I was just not trying to wear it anymore. So what I actually decided to do was give it a little touch up, trim it, and see how it looks on. So before I begin, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and that you like this video, and after that I'll start. So I already cut the hair at the bottom, just a regular blunt cut, where the straight hair started to get really bad. So this is how the blunt cut looks right now at the bottom of the hair, and you can see that it already looks a lot straighter. I'm going to put a clip from the video where I showed the ends and the video of how it looks now. So the part of the hair, the part inside of the hair is already done. So what I'm basically going to do is put this on my head and then just kind of trim where I see necessary to. So this is how the wig is on, and I can already see the hair is more blunt on the ends. And I don't like that. I don't like that. So this is how the wig looks. It looks like Valentino kind of, but just in a darker color. So this is how it looks right now. Oh, it's not so bad. It's not so bad. So this is how the wig looks now. I didn't lay it down or anything, but what I'm going to do is just kind of thin out the ends and have it a little bit more natural, so it doesn't look like a straight cut. So how I do that, I just and I do this when I do crochet. I'll take like a chunk. I'll take a chunk like this. You know, synthetic, it really doesn't matter. And I just go like that with the ends. I'm not cutting off a lot of length necessarily, but I'm just kind of randomly trimming the ends so it comes out a little more natural than it looks now. So I trimmed it off camera because I had to take my wig off and kind of adjust it, but as you can see, it's a little bit more natural on the ends. I just didn't want it to look too sharp. Like if it just looks like a blunt cut, I don't like it like that. So I just wanted it a little bit more. See, it's still tangling, but it's easier to go through now. And yep, same length. But this is wow. I actually would wear this. I would wear this. I'd wear it. It's still tangled, but I think now it's a lot more doable, especially because of that, you know, fringy, messed up, like the ends are gone. It looks a lot more fresh. This reminds me of Valentino, actually. If you don't know what Valentino is, it's the wig that I reviewed not too long ago. I will put it in the link above over here. But yeah, this is how you revive Trissa. This is definitely how you do it. And all I did was just cut off where like the really long pieces were, and it looks like a whole nother wig. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this saved a lot of you guys from having to buy the wig again. If you do not like the length of this, then you know, I would just say buy it again. But if you don't mind this look right here with the ends, I would definitely recommend just cutting the wig and you know, giving it a new name. I will definitely have to figure that out. I didn't lay it down, but please let me know how you like this review and this transformation in the comment section down below. I want to get your guys' input on the type of videos that you want to see and things like that. So let me know if this was helpful, because then I can show you how I revive most of my wigs. So yeah, just thank you again for watching. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe and like this video, and I hope to see you guys soon.
Hey, yeah, 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 yeah.